Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube and my Amazon page. This soundbar is LG US60T. This is a 3.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Dolby audio. This soundbar will help you to take your TV entertainment to the next level with upgraded AI Sound Pro technology, optimizing every sound, and packed with total audio power of 340 watts with a separate wireless subwoofer, adding impactful bass to your entertainment system. Connect via HDMI or optical cable. Plus, with Bluetooth, you can stream music, your top tune from your smart device or laptop. Immersive 3.1 channel home cinema sound. An array of 4 channels within the system, including a wireless subwoofer for powerful bass. Wireless subwoofer provide bass and sub-bass frequency that bring your entertainment to training level. The upgraded AI Sound Pro algorithm automatically adjusts and optimizes sound for every scene. Enhanced compatibility with LG TV, so you enjoy an enhanced experience when connected to a compatible LG TV. The brand wow interface provides easy to use between LG TV and soundbar. So the sound effect, you have AI Sound Pro, standard, music, cinema, clear voice pro, sports, game, bass blast. So you have a lot of options in terms of sound effect. Audio format, DTS digital surround, AAC, and Dolby Digital, USB, Bluetooth version 5.3. So we're going to check this product out and see what is inside. This is the subwoofer here. This is the subwoofer. See what it looks like. This is the soundbar. Information pack. See what it looks like. This is the soundbar here. It's made of plastic. Remote control. LG remote. This is the battery. So push the remote control down to open it up. The positive goes to the button on the left, on the right, negative goes to the button. Then slide the cover up to close it. Power cable, another power cable, so 2 power cables included. And this is the wall mount. So take the power cable, go at the back of the subwoofer, connect it to the subwoofer. This subwoofer, if you want to reset it, you press pairing button. If you want to reset it, press this pairing button to reset it. Then take this end, connect it to the soundbar, push it in. So these are the ports for this soundbar: HDMI, TV, ARC, USB, and optical. And the power cable goes to AC in. You switch it on and off from this button. This button is input. This button is for you to decrease the volume. This button is for you to increase the volume. And this is the Bluetooth button. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end, 85 centimeter or 850 millimeter. This is 87 millimeter. And this end, 63 millimeter. From this end to this end, 377 millimeter. From this end is 200 millimeter. Then from the front to the back, 285 millimeter. Plug the soundbar to the power. Connect the subwoofer to the power. You switch the soundbar on and off from this button. The plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is sound effect. This button is Bluetooth. This is for you to mute. This button is input. So this button is sound tuning. This adjusts the sound level of the connected speaker. Press the sound tuning button and left and right button to select the desired speaker before pressing up and down button to increase or decrease the sound level. You can adjust the subwoofer to -15 to +6, center speaker -6 to +6, treble -6 to +6, mid -6 to +6, and bass -6 to +6. Adjustable subwoofer level is applied only when the subwoofer is connected. And this button is mute. This button is function button or input. Press button repeatedly to select desired input mode between optical and HDMI. This button is information button. Speak the connected input source. And this is the setting. It allows you to adjust the setting of this product: auto power, surround, nighttime, display settings. This is pause and play. The center one is pause and play. Use the soundbar remote. Press the power button and the light is highlighting. It's showing us white color. And you can see the light that was flashing here on the subwoofer is no longer flashing, so they are linked together. So use the input to select Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Then you select Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. So when you select Bluetooth, you press the Bluetooth button. It will tell you Bluetooth connection ready. We're going to connect this soundbar with my mobile device. So if you go to your phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on. Then select Bluetooth. It's now going to search for available Bluetooth device. LG US60T BA. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair.
Paired.
And it's connected. So you will hear paired. We're going to test the audio using upbeat sound.
Standard. Cinema. Cinema. Clear Voice Pro. Sports. Music.
Thank you very much. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.